Hey, what's up guys? Wes here with Rocky Mountain, here to talk to you about the Tusk Bump Start Kit for your CRF110. Now, what this does is allows you to start your bike in any gear. You don't have to kick it down into neutral. You can just start it and take right off, which is a big deal. I really didn't think it was gonna be that big of a deal to have to kick your bike down into neutral every time, but it really is. It really is annoying to have to do every single time. So these kits are awesome. They're super cheap. It's honestly, if you've researched these bikes at all, it's probably one of the first products you'll come across when you're doing your research. There's a ton of them out there, but either way, you've got to have one on your bike. It makes riding them and just riding at the track more enjoyable, honestly. So they're available in two colorways, red and black. They come with everything you need. The plug kit for your OEM neutral safety switch, comes with an O-ring, comes with the bolt, and it comes with the ground wire. They're really easy to install. If you guys have questions about them, leave them below. I'll get back to you. Check them out on our website, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.